The nights are long, and I feel so alone. But you remind my weary soul to cast my cares on you. For you care for me. Yes, you care for me. You said you'd never leave me. You're always there, even in the waiting, even in the prayer. So I lift my eyes again. Though my heart is worn and weak, I trust the God who watches over every lost sheep. I pray that my prodigal will come to himself. Turn his heart back to the cry out for help. Jesus as Lord, believe in his heart that you were raised from the dead. He will be saved, he will be saved. My prodigal will be saved. Yo. Pray, pray, pray. I will pray through every day. Pray, pray, pray. Stony heart is rolled away. Jesus, you save. Jesus, you save. Jesus, you save. Jesus, you save. You chase the lost. You heal the broken. You call the dead to rise. No chain is stronger than your mercy. No night outlasts your light. I stand on truth. I stand on grace. I stand on what you said. My prodigal will come back home and live again. Lord, you hear when I pray. I trust you even in delay. Jesus, you save. Jesus, you save. Jesus, you save. Jesus, you save. My prodigal will be saved. Pray. My prodigal will be saved.